Okay, it's Friday the 13th, and I found something new that I haven't seen at all. Now, something's here, right here, and it smells really, really, really strange. I've never seen this before with plants. I don't know. It's like stone here, but you can see that there's some, I don't know, it's grown onto the plants here, and it's like a stone, and it smells really funny. It's all here. I do not know what this is. And it's growing or whatever it is, it's all over the plants in this area. And you can see that whatever it is, it's grown into, or grown onto the plants, or it's covering the plants, but it's like a stone. And it riecht ganz komisch. Muss man not, but if you see, it's on the plants, and it looks like cement, but it doesn't smell like cement. It smells really, 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 really funny. And this was not here some time ago. I walked by here quite often, and I didn't see. And you can see here, it's on the leaves here. And I'm going to take these leaves with me now. You can see that I'm taking it. I will get this tested to find out what this is. I do not know, but it smells really, really funny. And I'm taking this little piece here too. But I've never smelled anything like this before in my life. And you can see that I was here before. Yeah, this is really crazy. This is hard substance now. This is the first I've seen of this. It's almost like a lime, or I don't really know what that. I don't know. I've never seen this before. Never, ever, 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 ever. And it's funny that it's only right here, but it's really, really strange. And why is it on the leaves? I'm gonna take a few of this with me, actually. Just to here's some leaves that definitely, I don't know, the strangest thing I've ever seen. It looks like cement, but it does not smell like cement. I'm gonna look some other areas here. Maybe we'll see some more, but it's only there. I don't know what this stuff is. I do not know. But I don't see any more spots of that. Phew, it smells really funky. It smells very funky. It almost makes me feel ill to smell it. Does anyone have any idea what this could be? It's definitely not cement. That's for sure. Because it's really easy to break. But it is, I mean, parts of it are hard. I really do not know what this is. It's definitely freaky. That's for sure, because if you can see, this is right, well, sorry. This one here, I'll put this all on the ground. This is a plant here. And this stuff is growing, or had covered this plant. And it smells really funky here. Puh, it smells weird. Richtig komische Scheiße hier. If anybody can tell me what this is, please leave a comment. I have no idea what this is. This is really confusing. I wish I could describe the smell of it, but it doesn't smell good. It has a smell. That's what's really weird. Phew. You see, I wonder if this is something to do with everything that I've been filming. But it's only in that spot. I haven't seen this in any other spot but in the spot that was in the middle of the road there, where I just was. Again, if anyone knows what this substance is, I would really like to know, because I've never really seen anything like this before. I think I've said that a couple times now, but you saw me take this stuff. I didn't put this there. It's brown there, and then you can see the green here. That's a leaf. So I don't know what is happening here. There's all kinds of stems from the plants, all in this area, and yeah, I don't know. This is really troubling. Again, if anyone knows what this substance could be, please let me know. Because this is like a stone, but it's not a stone, because stones don't smell, and neither does concrete. So I don't know. I don't know how many times I have to say I don't know. But wow, talk about global change. There's now a new substance growing on plants, and I don't know. And I really wish I did know, because then I could tell you. But you can see here that there is a leaf there, and it's green. See here on this blat that doesn't have very much on the leaf there. There is the same white substance